How can a man spark desire in a woman, even when, at first, she doesn't seem interested at all? I am so glad you could make it today. We've got a lot to cover, and I promise it's going to be worth your time. First, let's dive into the numbers. As you can see, our growth has been steady, but there's still room for improvement. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can we achieve this? Well, that's where our new strategy comes in. By focusing on customer engagement and leveraging social media, we can reach a wider audience and boost our sales. It's not going to be easy, but with the right team and determination, I believe we can make it happen. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into something many men go through but rarely understand. You've probably experienced this before. You meet a woman who seems incredible. You start a conversation, you're polite, respectful, and attentive. You try to show genuine interest. Yet somehow, the more effort you put in, the more distant she seems to become. This is where most men feel confused. They assume they must be doing something wrong. But the truth is a little different. In many cases, you're not doing the wrong things. You're simply doing the right things in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't follow the same path as logic. It doesn't grow through reasoning or careful explanations. Desire forms through emotional signals that operate beneath the surface. Today, we're going to talk about 7 psychological triggers that can spark attraction naturally. And there is one near the end that is especially powerful. When it's used correctly, it can shift the dynamic very quickly. Yet almost nobody truly understands how to use it. But before we go any further, there's something important you should hear. None of this is your fault. No one really taught you how this works. It's not something you learned in school, and it's rarely explained clearly in society. Many men grow up believing that if they show kindness, provide logical reasons why they'd be a great partner, and give lots of attention, attraction will naturally follow. But female attraction doesn't operate on logic alone. It's emotional and instinctive. While you were trying to communicate your value through words and reasoning, her mind was quietly scanning for completely different signals. Much of this happens subconsciously. Studies in evolutionary psychology suggest that attraction often forms through mental shortcuts the brain uses automatically. These patterns developed over thousands of years. When certain signals appear, the brain reacts without needing to analyze every detail. Once you start to understand these patterns, something interesting happens. You stop chasing approval. You stop forcing connections. Instead, you begin showing up in a way that naturally draws interest. Women begin to feel curious about you, rather than feeling pressured by you. The first trigger is something called masculine presence. And this has very little to do with appearance. It's not about having perfect muscles or a certain look. It's about the energy you bring into a space. Think about what happens when you walk into a room. Do you take up space comfortably? Or do you subtly shrink yourself without realizing it? Women often pick up on this within seconds. A man who moves calmly, who isn't rushing his movements, and who isn't constantly searching the room for approval, sends a strong message without speaking a single word. His presence alone communicates that he feels secure in himself. That grounded energy stands out because it's rare. And anything rare tends to become more attractive. Picture yourself at a social gathering or a busy bar. Instead of nervously scanning the room or overthinking every interaction, you slow down. Your posture stays relaxed. Your shoulders remain open. Your breathing is steady. You're not trying to prove anything to anyone. You're simply present and aware. That small shift changes how people see you. Women begin to notice the difference immediately. Something about your calm presence feels unusual compared to the restless energy most people bring into a room. Without realizing why, her subconscious attention starts moving in your direction. Something about you feels steady, confident, and quietly intriguing. The shift doesn't happen because you suddenly try harder. It happens because you become more grounded within yourself. When a man feels centered and comfortable in his own energy, people sense it without him saying a word. The second trigger is what we can call emotional challenge. Many men fall into the habit of agreeing with everything a woman says. They avoid even the smallest tension because they think disagreement will ruin the connection. But a little tension is not the same as conflict. In fact, it often creates attraction. When you playfully disagree or tease in a lighthearted way, you introduce contrast into the interaction, and contrast creates spark. Imagine she tells you she loves waking up very early every morning. Instead of instantly agreeing, you smile and say something like, "Really? You seem more like someone who hits the snooze button 5 times." The tone is playful, not insulting. That small moment shows confidence. It communicates that you're comfortable expressing your own perspective instead of simply trying to impress her. That type of energy creates chemistry because attraction thrives on polarity, not constant agreement. If this idea is starting to click for you, take a moment to like the video. It helps more men discover things that were never explained to them before. The third trigger is selective attention. This is where many men lose balance. They start giving endless attention right from the beginning. They respond to every message instantly, cancel plans just to be available, and make her the center of their entire focus. Unfortunately, this can send the wrong signal. When someone appears too available all the time, it can reduce perceived value. A man who has a full life is not always on standby. He has goals, hobbies, friendships, and responsibilities. His world does not revolve around a single person he just met. When you invest in your own life and passions, your time naturally becomes more meaningful. You are still interested in her, but you are also interested in your own growth and direction. That balance creates curiosity. She begins to feel drawn towards someone who clearly has purpose and independence. Interest grows from scarcity and balance, not from playing games, but from living a full life. The fourth trigger is intentional listening. This goes beyond simply hearing words during a conversation. It means truly paying attention and remembering what matters to her. When you bring up small details she mentioned earlier, it immediately shows that you value what she shared. For example, imagine she casually tells you she loves orchids. Days later, you see one somewhere, take a quick photo, and send it to her, saying it reminded you of that conversation. Moments like that stand out. They show presence and thoughtfulness. Emotional connection deepens when someone feels truly noticed. Care, combined with confidence, is extremely attractive, and it builds connection far more effectively than endless compliments. The fifth trigger is what we can call balanced vulnerability. Many men believe they must appear completely strong and flawless all the time. But real connection doesn't grow from perfection. It grows from honesty that is expressed with confidence. When you share something genuine about your life, perhaps a challenge you overcame or a fear you faced, without portraying yourself as a victim, you become relatable and human. Vulnerability paired with stability builds trust. And once trust forms, desire often follows naturally. True strength is not pretending to have no weaknesses. It is being comfortable enough to acknowledge them. The sixth trigger involves gradual and respectful physical touch. Research shows that light, appropriate contact can release oxytocin, a hormone connected to bonding and comfort. Simple moments like a brief touch on the arm while laughing, or a light brush on the shoulder while walking side by side, can create subtle positive associations. The key is that it must feel natural and respectful, never forced or rushed. Over time, these small interactions allow her brain to connect your presence with warmth and ease. This kind of deeper understanding is exactly what I explain in my full guide called Attraction Secrets, where the focus moves beyond theory and into real-world application. And now we come to the final trigger, which may be the most powerful of all. It's controlled unpredictability. The human brain responds strongly to dopamine, the chemical linked to excitement and anticipation. Dopamine increases when there is a sense of rewarding uncertainty. When a man is slightly unpredictable, in a healthy way, he becomes intriguing. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or unreliable. It simply means maintaining balance. Sometimes you're warm and expressive. Other times you create space. Sometimes you take the initiative. Other times you allow anticipation to build. You remain genuine, but you don't reveal everything all at once. That subtle mystery keeps her mind engaged. She finds herself thinking about you even when you're not around. Now you have something far more useful than tricks or lines. You have real principles. Use them with respect and awareness. You don't need to be perfect to create attraction. You simply need the right understanding. And now you have it.